What's up guys, Sola here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a special toy including Fidget that everyone and even you guys like the best. But before I have to start, hit the like button right there and hit that subscribe button right there. And make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy this video. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so you have to find something that looks like this shape. To this color, we'll need this. Meh. Guys, why cutting if I can do this? Like to that one. There. They did a great job. Put these things away. Man, don't need this thing. Don't need this scissor anymore. I know what to do. Three, two, one, and now we're going to flip those and put our film, but we need to use glue. So here it is, but ask an adult to help you. That's very safe. You can make any shapes with this, like flowers, stars, or anything, just like me, but I picked flower. And now we'll get a hole puncher, and you can make as a keychain or anything you want. For this project, we'll need the glass bottle of nothing, and then we'll need this water, and then we're having glycerin oil, but we'll use baby oil, but we don't have it, so we'll use this, and even glitter. Don't forget to, and also this is a glitter with glitter on it, but it's a glitter body. Yeah. And now we'll use anything we want, like flakes or something, and that's anything you'll have, or even beads, or you can put anything about that. But I choose this one. And now let's get started. So first we open this one. And now pour water in. Don't spill any. Okay, this is what you need. Now bring it up. You can use any colors you want. I want to put pink because it has to be pretty and colorful, of course. But you can use any colors. There's only one drop and that's it. Now, shake it up. Now we'll use the oil. Now pour it in.
1, 2, 3, alakazam.
You can use any oil you want. Oh, it's so pinkish. Whoa, look at the beautiful color. It's so beautiful. Nice, stop there. Now let's put some glitter. And I choose ABC because it's so cute. A little messy, but it's okay since I have this table. It's so pretty. Look how it goes.
Whoa, look at it go, look at it go.
You can add anything else inside if you don't need this, but it's so cute. It's floating. And it has to be like this, but this is so cute because these layers are falling off. But now let's use some other things like glitter. Don't spill too much though. Okay. Glitter patty. Well, it's much. This is the way it looks. Now let's put the cap on and this one on. And now you know what time it is. Now we start shaking. Whoa, look at that, it's so beautiful. It's like a colorful rainbow letters. So sweet and beautiful. It feels like a confetti coming out. Now we have to decorate with a cute bow. It might take an hour, so just like that. So that you'll have the sweetest dream ever. We'll start playing, then we'll move on to the next one. This is a job well done. For this project, we'll use wire, clay, and any beads that you find you may make, and even these babies. Now let's get started. You may approximately cut 12 inches on this wire. Just like that. Now put it aside, and now use clay. So it has to be the size like this, and you have to start like this. I did 2 of these for my Fidget toy. Now let's put this wire and stop until it touches the table. Okay, finished. Now let's put beads. This flower is my favorite. It goes in here. So cute. Now continuing on. Okay, there's so much red, but let's go into orange. And I like star because let's say that I'm gonna be a star. Ding. Now, let's put red. Okay, yeah, maybe one more is blue. This might take a little while, but it's very fun because you can like do this like woo. But it could be fun, it could be amazing. You can do anything amazing and what you want. Okay, now the last one is this face, and it goes there, like we all know. But wait till they see what they did. Now that we have it inside the clay, now we're gonna wait till it dries overnight, and then we'll start painting, and then we'll play. This might take a while, but it's so fun! So now let's wait. This is so much fun to play with it because I can like circle it around or like crush people. And it's so funny because it was so cool when someone's doing like this, like it's so funny. For this project, we'll need balloons, soap, water, and flour. And this might take time. So we're gonna fill it up with flour, and so to fill up a balloon with flour, we'll need this empty roll of plastic wrap, and then we'll need this. I made it out of paper so that it's easy to put flour in it. So this is what it has to look like. And here it is. And now what we had to tie it up. And it has to be like this. It feels so soft. But now let's fill up the others. And there it is. There's not one or two anymore, there's 3 of them. Now we have to put soap in the water, like that, and like that. Now stir it up, stir it up. Now we put those balloons on, now we put those balloons in here, and put the rest of them. And wait until 30 minutes. This is so fun. Now let's wait till 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you should put soap on your hand and then take one balloon and then we'll scrub it on and then put it here and put the other kitchen paper on top, and then wait. Now put it there, and we'll need to do the rest of them. There. Nice and soapy. Or should I say nice and toasty? Now we wait for this to dry. Okay, now they're dried up. And if they're dried up, you know what that means? We can play. Play. Let's play away. And it's so fun because you can easily play with it like a cool sticky ball. I mean, it looks sticky because it sticks together. That kind of looks like a fruit to me. Like it's so cool. And you guys it's so cool because it looks like a cool stretchy and squishy toy. But now we'll start decorating with this. Ta-da! I just tied them up so that I won't get lost. If I was in school, I would do like this so that it'll make me so relaxed and it feels so relaxing. And also, squish it up. It looks so cool, but we might not rip what we have to do. If we stretch so much, it might rip up and all the flowers are gonna come off. Guys, this is awesome, and I like playing with my Fidget toys. Like this sensory bottle, this shaky toy, then this balloon balls, which is so relaxing, and this toy. If you want to sleep or relax, you might use this to play a little while. But now the sensory bottle is so cute because it has ABCs. If you want to dream about anything like sparkles and rainbows, and even an emoji who is crying with a rainbow. It was so fun. But my favorite is this one and that one because it feels so relaxing. And if you're mad, then it looks like a puppet, but instead you can do this. Like this. And it feels so relaxing. And it looks like a puppet. And what I like about them is that you can separate it in each color. Or do like this, so you can see a color, and like triple color at once. Oh wait guys, one more thing before the end. You have to hit that like button right there, and hit that subscribe button right there, and that'll be cool. And if you click that subscribe button, then you will not miss any more of this video. You'll see more videos, like every video you'll watch. And now let's see you guys next time. Bye. We'll continue this.